What is up, everybody? It's Patrick with 228.com. Today, we're going to go over some of the stuff I changed around in Xcode. The stack view didn't work out, so I had to kind of do the buttons, use auto layout. Oh, auto layout. Excuse me, I had to pick up my dog. Had to use auto layout to lay out the buttons, and we'll go over how I did that. And I didn't cover the way the save message displayed whenever we saved an image. So we'll go over that as well. Let's fire up Xcode and let's get into it. All right. So the buttons, this is setup buttons is the method that we used to add our buttons to set up HUD. So all we do in here is, instead of all this layout code in one function, there's really like two buttons that I have to lay out just kind of on their own, which is the capture button and the last image view. So then we turn around, made a function to set up the rest of the buttons: the switch camera, the white balance, the portrait, and the pet button. All right, so this anchor method, I actually use this, and I got this from Brian Fung. Oh God, Brian, if I'm not saying your last name right, I'm sorry. My last name is Bellot, so man, I know how it is. But he uses this in the Instagram app. It's from letsbuildthatapp.com, and it works. You know, it's real easy to anchor things, to display things, and I mean, man, you just can't go wrong with that. So I have the it's an extension. That's the alert. Okay. To UI view, and this at the bottom. This is funny. So this function add subviews is from uh, Swift by Sandell, from John Sandell. He uses this method, and it just iterates through the view. So, and I'll show you an example of that here. View.add. I mean, real easy. Just cleans up your code magnificently, and you know, we're probably going to do some more of that whenever I add the shadows to these buttons. Yeah, that's the code. Just trying to clean up the code as we go. And then what I'll probably do is this method right here, this function handle save. Okay, it's got 1, 2, 3. I mean, this is a 20, maybe 25, 25 line function that I think we can probably break this out into, you know, another function too as well. So go. Batch queue. All right. So I really think that we can break this whole thing out into another function. That way we don't have all this mess to go through. and I think we'll get the same. So let's give that a try first and see what happens. Do function right here. So we'll do func add a table. All right, and let's see if this really works. So what we're gonna do is copy, comment all this out. Right, and we're gonna copy it, put it in save label right here. All the focus command odd in. There. All right, and go down here and do oh add. All right, this code is complaining at me. What? All the methods. Oh, self. What is a preview? Let's see if this is going to work out. Fire up QuickTime Player. Recording. All right. All right. We don't get it. That's pretty cool. I never noticed this, but like when you're recording or whenever you run your project, Xcode will clean that up for you. All right, here's our new UI. This is what's in front of me now, my keyboard. All right, take a picture. All right, let's try to save it. Yeah, it works out. So there we go. And successfully saved to. Cool. So we were able to break that out of our function right here. So now we can delete this. There. It's always fun to delete code. There we have it. Nice, clean um, method right here, broken out of that is this label. Man, you can't get any better than that. That's awesome. So now this 15, 8, 17 line. Other than that, about the white space. Oh, it's not even that because I got the font here big. So man, that makes me feel really good about getting that all set up. That works out really great. All right. So the next thing I wanted to do, I broke that out. That was a great idea. Um, is handle the flip. All right. Okay. So see how much time we have first. 10 minutes. All right. I think we might be able to put this in. Highly professional, actually. Okay, we have our switch camera method. I'm gonna put that in there now. Camera. Here it is, switch camera. All right, so we're gonna do button, target, self, selector, handle, and toggle. Or dot up in. All right. So we'll go down to our two capture set. Target method. Are at handle, camera, toggle. Okay. So we need to be able to flip this camera around and use the front facing camera. So I'm kind of excited to see if I can use this method. Okay, so first we're going to start the configuration. So we take that capture session dot begin configuration indicates the start of a set of a new configuration change is made atomically. All right, we're going to use it. Check the camera. We're going to check the device, and device equals ooh. We need a property toggle camera, right? Okay, go up here, Sorry about jumping around. Okay, so we need another variable. Hello. Everybody hears you, sweet pea. We're gonna do bar toggle camera. Bar toggle camera. Pulse. So that in our method. Yeah. All right. So back down. What? And this, we're just pretty much setting up a new camera session. Every time. So that's so cool just to have it. Toggle true or false. That's so awesome. I didn't even have to put it in the project. That's so cool. Input. Oh wait, skipping around. Capture session dot inputs. Capture session inputs dot for each array. This is a throwing condition, so here. That. Each. Dot move put zero. And here's the do block. Oh yeah. That new input. We'll try a capture device. I know it's not handled. It will be if capture session. Hey, excuse me. What did I ask you to do? New input. I'm going to do self dot capture device dot add input. Oh, capture session. Sorry. Add input. We have a new input. We're going to add that new input. We're going to catch that error. We're going to say out. Toggle. Not the error. Right? Okay. Anyway, we're at the output, just like we keep setting up this new session. So output, then go ahead and add that photo output. Then capture session dot commit configuration. What that is that commits a set of configuration change, so it sets that configuration. All right. So that is how to flip the camera. Nice and sexy. What we're going to do is we're going to build and run. Get my quick time up. I got faulty wires. I'm gonna get wires. Somebody steals my wires because they work. Oh. All right, and hopefully, if this all works, you'll get to see my ugly mug. All right, so here. We are the setup. You are so many screens. Ah. All right, so we'll flip, and hopefully you'll see my mug. Ah, there I am. Ah. Who wants to see that? All right, that feature is done for the books. Hang on, my big dog is trying to get on me. All right. No, and Allah. All right, we're just knocking them out today. Sweet. All right, guys, that's how you handle the toggle switch cameras in iOS. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry for skipping around. I promise you later on, these whole recordings will get better. If you know, but this is the journey. This is the document. You get to witness what's going on firsthand, um, and yeah, this is the real deal. So, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later.